Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing some baby back ribs and we're going to be firing up the Lone Star Grill. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you how these baby back ribs come out doing it JP style. Check it out. Got me some baby back ribs here that I got at Costco yesterday, and we're going to take them out of the package. And I'm going to be using my J.P.Licious rub on these baby back ribs. I haven't made baby back ribs in a while, and I've never made baby back ribs inside the Lone Star Grill. So I'm a little bit, I don't want to say nervous, but you know, excited to see what, you know, how they come out. I like opening up these packets of baby back ribs, or these packet of ribs, and I do the same thing with the St. Louis cut. I open the top, kind of make like a little purse right here. That way all the juices stay down in the bottom and not dripping juices all over the place. So I'll get this first one taken right out. They still a little frozen. There we go. Got one, two, and we're gonna want to pat these ribs down before we get this seasoning. So you see all the juice in there just made a little purse or a little pocket, and into the trash it goes. You know, these are some nice looking baby back ribs. Take a look at that, you know, fat cap right on those ribs right there. That looks really good. So we're gonna put our J.P.Licious rub on these ribs, and I'll take that glove off, and that's what I'm gonna be using. This is my J.P.Licious special blend. That looks really nice. Get it on the edges. Get them flipped over and hit them on the backside. And we can see this barbecue rub already sweating the meat out. Got one more to do on the backside and we are good to go. I'm not gonna trim these up or anything. I'm gonna just put them just like this. These are backyard barbecue ribs. That'll work. I'm gonna let them bad boys sweat it out a little bit. Get this Lone Star Grill fired up and get these ribs put on there, and we're gonna see how these baby back ribs come out. Before I get this Lone Star Grill fired up, I want to show you guys this wood that I recently got. I got some oak, and that's what I'm going to be using to do these barbecue ribs. But this oak came from a company that's located over in Tampa, Florida. The name of the company is called Black Dog Firewood, and they sell firewood, and they have also kiln dried firewood, and they go out throughout they go throughout the state of Florida delivering firewood. And I was fortunate enough to find them, and they deliver here to Orlando, Florida, which works out pretty good. But if you guys are interested in some firewood from them, I'm going to put their website right here, and also it'll be a link in the description down below. You guys go check them out. The guy Dave over there, really nice fella. Prompt when he says you're gonna get your firewood on a Tuesday, you're gonna get your firewood on a Tuesday. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. But my understanding, they have what they call restaurant quality or restaurant grade type firewood that they deliver. So you guys go out and check them out. They got a real nice website. Link in the description below, and that's what JP is going to be using to do these ribs today. Let's go ahead and get these ribs put in there, guys. This thing is getting away from me. Ooh, there we go, nice. We're gonna put them on the second rack right here, and I'm gonna let you see what they look like before they go in. There you go. That's what they look like. Those are the J.P.Licious ribs right there. So, yeah, there's a little bitty rack right here, but we're gonna eat it anyway. 2 ribs, 2 racks. This is a nice one right here. There we go. 3 racks of ribs going in the Lone Star Grill. You close this bad boy back up. And we just monitor the temp from here on out. I'll show you what they look like in a couple hours. These ribs have been in there for about 2 hours, and they've taken on just enough color where, you know, I'm happy with it. So now it's time to get them wrapped up. I am going to put a little bit more of my J.P.BBQ rub on it, and in addition to this, I'm going to wrap them, and I'm going to put some honey on them. I'm going to put them meat side down and put them back inside the smoker. But they absolutely smell fantastic. Here's what we're going to do. Here's the first one, and man, look at that. Oh man, look at that bone. That bone has just pulled back on. It's so nice. Don't that look pretty? Yes, sir. Get these bad boys put in here. Put a little bit more of the rub. Just a little bit. And the honey. There we go. And that's all I'm gonna do to it. I'm gonna put it meat side down and get them wrapped up. You guys stay tuned. Once I get them wrapped, I'm gonna put them back in there for maybe about another hour and a half, maybe even 2. Nah, I don't think it's gonna take that long. Probably just an hour, and then take them out of their foil and put them back on the smoker just so they can dry up a little bit. The whole idea behind foiling them up or wrapping them up in aluminum is to tenderize them. You know, when you bite into a nice rib and it's nice and tender, the foil helps build that steam on the inside and tenderizes the meat. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so you guys stay tuned, and I'll bring you guys right back when we take another look at them. Hey guys, these ribs have been in there for 2 hours. It's time to get them out, get them unwrapped, get them glazed with a little bit of our barbecue sauce. We're gonna be using our J.P.BBQ barbecue sauce. Goes good with J.P.BBQ rub. Absolutely. Let me go get them. I'll be right back. These ribs are tender, tender, tender. I'm getting them out of the smoker, and they're still in the foil, and they're just bending up on me. Let me put one over here. Actually, let me put both of these over here. They are super hot. Let's take a look at them, see what they look like. Had these, of course, meat side down. Oh my goodness. They look really, really good. Let's see what it looks like when I flip it over. Ooh, yeah. Oh my gosh. They're hot. Okay. And I got liners on. So let me get this foil out. This one kind of cracked on me a little bit, but we're still gonna be able to put it back in there. We're gonna hold it just like that. What do you guys think of that? Oh man, they look gorgeous. Let's put some barbecue sauce on it. There we go. Yes, sir. And you could probably eat these right now, but we want these to get a little bit dry so they don't just tear up on you. Okay, there we go. That's what one of them looks like. My God, my mouth is drooling just looking at it. Let's get this other one out. I'm gonna be a little bit more careful. You know, that's how good this smoker is. This smoker, normally I do ribs 3-2-1 method, 3 hours smoked, 2 hours wrapped, and then 1 hour unwrapped. But this smoker is so efficient, you know, so good that, you know, you can get tender ribs in a real short period of time. Look at that. That looks gorgeous. Don't that look beautiful? Yes, sir. And it smells phenomenal. It smells so good. Get this other rack of ribs sauced up and ready to go. Oh yeah. We're gonna put these back in there for another hour, maybe 30 minutes. It's about 4:30. I don't think they're gonna take that long, but that's what they look like, guys. I will talk to you guys in just a little bit. And as soon as these are done, we're gonna do a little taste test. You guys stay tuned. Hey guys, these ribs are done. Took them out and they've been resting, wrapped up under aluminum foil for about an hour. This is the one that split up on me. You know, it was just coming apart. So let's flip it over. Cut us some ribs. Oh wow, look at this. And give us a little taste test. See what they're all about. They are super, super tender. Maybe a little bit too tender. Is there such a thing as too tender? I don't know. Let me see. I'm gonna take a little bite. Ooh, yeah, look at this. Still nice and warm. Nice little smoke ring on it. Let's give it a little taste test, see what it's all about. I haven't had baby back ribs in a while. The wood that I used for these ribs was oak, and you can definitely taste the smoke flavor inside these ribs. Let me cut these off right here. Yeah, I'm not gonna cut off, I'm just gonna bite into it. Oh yeah, look at that. Clean right off the bone. That's where you want it. Tender. Still got a little bit of pull to it, you know, so they're not falling completely off the bone. You know, you can take it off. You see right here, you know, I can just take this bone right off, and there's my rib meat. Those came out good. Taste the honey, because I put the honey in it. You know, I was wondering, like, what's that little extra sweetness in there? Came out really, really good. Besides that, guys, we are done here. Okay, I gotta get these cut up, feed the family. If you could do me a favor, right there in the corner, there's a little subscribe button. Click on that button, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to hit that bell also, that way you get future notifications of upcoming videos. The other thing also, there'll be a link down below to the website where I have all my products. It'll be right there also. You know, you guys go check out, my webpage. That's where I got all my barbecue products as well. Help support this channel. But besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys very much. You guys take care. I love you guys. But we're going to eat some ribs. Take care.